Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the jumping rubber band trick. You can do this with a rubber band or a hair tie / ponytail, same thing. Just one of these, both of them work. Or a rubber band, I just don't have one to show right now. But all you'll need is one of those. How does it work / how do you do it? Alright guys, so doing it is pretty simple, it just takes a little bit of practice. So when you start, I suggest doing it with the left hand, that's just easier for me. So, you have your rubber band ponytail. I like using this one better because it's a bit tighter, but you can use one also that's loose and then you just wrap it around your fingers if it's loose, if it's too loose. But if it's fine, then whatever. Okay. So first I'll show you it. I just kind of set it up. Like that. That's how it does. Now I will show you how to do it. So you're going to take this ponytail and you're going to take your two fingers, your middle finger and your pointer. And then you're going to take your ponytail holder and you're going to put it like this. Also guys, make sure that when the audience is watching, that your hand right here is facing the audience. The back of your hand is facing the audience, or else it will not work. So then you're going to take, so it may just look like it's just down there normally, but from the back, you're going to do it doing stuff that'll make it jump. So first of all, you're going to take these two, the tip, and you're just going to put them in like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your other two fingers. Your thumb will not be used in this. Yes. So it'll kind of look like this. And then I have these two fingers in. And these two fingers in. Make sure that you don't go under. You have to go over or else it will not work. And so what you do is you take your hand and you just put it up forward with all your fingers together, like this. And then it should make it jump if you followed all the steps correctly. So let's try it one more time. Two fingers, put them on like this, then from the back. And then, like that. And you can call this trick the jumping hair tie trick, or just whatever you want. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This is one of my favorite magic tricks. Like so. It's very easy if you're just looking for something fun to do, maybe at a kid's birthday party. Just go to Dollar General, get a pack of hair ties, and you can try this with all of them. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below.